Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to add your alarm on your laptop. So now started today's video. So I'm click Windows icon and click search button. So I'm search alarm. So clock app here. Okay, now open clock app and click alarm and 7 p.m. alarm at last 8 hours 34 minutes. So good morning, and I will use, okay, this is the customize. Okay, good morning, repeated alarm every day. So you can just only one choose or repeat alarm or daily, set your wish. So ringtone, so this is the ringtone. So I hope this ringtone is choose. And reminder 10 minutes, so reminder 5 minutes under I'll repeat the alarms. Okay, now I'm just set 8 a.m. and save. So I'm just 9 hour 33 minutes later alarm is working, and I'm just new add on. So 10 p.m 10 a.m. okay, alarm 2 okay, just repeat Friday. Okay, and reminder, no reminder, disable, because Friday my off day, and save. And I hope I like this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.